Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to add a zero before a number in a Microsoft Excel cell. If Excel removes leading zeros automatically, you can use the text function to keep them. Click on an empty cell where you want the formatted number to appear. Then type this formula. Press enter and Excel will display the number with leading zeros. So, for example, if the value is A1 is 123, then the formula will make it 00123. Adjust the number of zeros in the formula to control the total numbers of digits. 3 zeros are 3 digits, 4 zeros are 4 digits, and 5 zeros are 5 digits. This method is perfect for things like postal codes, employee IDs, or serial numbers, where zeros must always stay visible as text. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.